Hi there, Shelley Young from the PH Miracle Center with the Fun Food Show today. We have a great recipe for you today. It's simple, 4 or 5 ingredients max. And I want to tell you how I came about with this recipe. I was in Hawaii enjoying the beautiful islands. I was at a restaurant and I saw on the menu coconut sandwich. And I was just amazed by that. And I saw them coming out with a plate with grilled coconut as the meat of the sandwich. And it got me thinking about, wow, you can really take that meat of the coconut. It is very hearty and it has a good texture to it. It's full of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, so it's good for the white parts of our body, our bones and our teeth. And I thought, wow, I've never thought about making it like a burger or a veggie burger or something like that. So my creative juices got going and I decided to try a veggie burger out of coconut. So these are coconut patties. I wanted it colorful and I also wanted it a little more on the sweet side. So I'm going to put the meat of 2 young Thai coconuts. Again, I've already cracked these and drained the water and taken the meat out. You'll see a little bit of brown on the back of the coconut. That's okay. When that gets all chopped up, that's just like fiber in the dish. And then I'm going to add the secret ingredients. That is our kale chips, organic PH Miracle kale chips. We have coconut citrus with lime in the kale. So I'm going to add that as a little color addition and a flavor addition to these veggie burgers. And then I'm going to add some dehydrated red bell peppers. And some of you that know me know that I love these for my snack. This is my red licorice, in fact. When I want a snack, I'll just eat these dehydrated red bell peppers. They're high in vitamin C and they're also very, very concentrated in their sweetness. So I'm going to add some of those into, just a handful of those, into this recipe. It's going to add a lot of color, maybe a little bit more. And that will be nice for the mixture there. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons, you could add 1 or 2 tablespoons of egg replacer. And that's going to help bind the ingredients together. And then I'm just going to add a dash of salt, just to counteract the sweet that I have in the recipe. So I'm going to add the top here on the Cuisinart. Got the S blade in. So I'm going to pulse chop this mix in the Cuisinart. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water to get that egg replacer activated so that it will start binding like an egg. Through the top, I can see the mixture coming up the sides and then down into the middle, so I know it's getting mixed up really well. So what we've got is kind of a texture like a scrambled egg mix or something like that. This is a beautiful colored veggie burger. Very, very easy to take out now out of the Cuisinart here and mold into patties on our tray. And I'm going to be using a cooking spray oil by Spectrum today on my tray. Just coat it lightly on the cookie tray. And then I've done these before for the family where I've kind of shaped these into hearts. Have that little red color in them from the red bell pepper. It makes for a really pretty veggie burger. You could add this to the side of a salad. You could put it by soup. You could keep it as it is and use it as a pate without baking it. This could be a coconut pate. So that's the beauty of the PH Miracle recipes, is that they're very versatile. And this egg replacer, or you could also use flax seed powder that's been ground if you wanted to use that for a binder. But you need something to bind the kale and the coconut and the red bell peppers all together. And like I say, you can freeze these. You could put them into the dehydrator and just dehydrate them until they're kind of like a cracker. That's another way that you could use these dishes. And I like the pates. I like the idea of a veggie burger for a transitional food or for the main part of the meal where you need something that will really stick to your ribs. Okay, we'll do one more. And then you're going to want to put these into a hot oven anywhere from 375 to 400 degrees. I usually bake mine at 400. And I'll watch them till they turn golden on the bottom. And sometimes I flip them and let them cook on the other side. Or today I'm just gonna spray the top of our little coconut burgers. I'm gonna just lightly spray the top with the coconut or with the oil. And then I'm gonna place those in the oven, bake them for about 20-25 minutes, and come out with golden coconut patties. Enjoy.